System files corrupted by the Universal Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. I recommend the automated system scan for Universal Library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Universal Library, a critical Windows system library providing foundational utility functions for file system management, disk formatting, and partition checks, e.g., chkdsk. It is required for basic command line operations. Corruption in Ulib.dll is a severe error that can prevent Windows from performing disk maintenance or booting into the recovery environment. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Universal Library DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Universal Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Universal Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Universal Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Universal Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.